welcome to the channel. So we're gonna make some slime. So guys, we need this item. We need some glue, something to mix it, then something to mix in. First guys, let's add glue. Then guys, with some pearl. This is a pearl. This is not the glue, guys. This is the place to the pearl.
Announcement. Sa Sabado, ito na naman. Tutuloy natin ang laban sa Guhit Bulaga Plus. Tayong score eh. Tutuos ulit tayo sa Yellow versus Blue. Okay, ito na. Saturday. Ay! Magkano ba bigay? 20!
Okay, let's add a little bit. This is my finished product. We're gonna add some. Because we're gonna add some glitters. Yeah, so I add some a little bit. So now let's add some glue. And add the glue.
Nasa dulo kayo? Oo. Maganda yan, exercise. Ito, 20, 21, 22,
Now let's
23.
mix it, guys.
Okay.
It's
Ito po, 21,
all new.
22.
We'll make the foundation before we each other.
Kompleto ng dala. Panalo na kayo ng
Mix it.
Congratulations! At hindi lang po yan. At hindi lang yan, may dagdag regalo pa kayo sa Johnson's Active Kids Shampoo. Magkano ba po? Pili lang po kayo.
Guys, I will be back.
May naman po yung puna, ha?
So now guys,
Sabihin na natin bago ako matulog.
so guys, this is my slide. This is so sticky and so oily. This can be met.
Bye ka lang, hello Delphine! Stephen! Ibig sabihin, congratulations, panalo ka ng 10,000 pieces. At dahil ikaw ang unang naka-3 points,
Okay guys,
pasok ka na!
now okay.
Versus Mariel dito
So
sa
guys, bye.
All the Way. Ang pamilya na naglalaki ang regalo sa prizes all the way. Pagpabalik.
It's 4 minutes. So bye.